Hey guys, today I have the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of November. Yay! So going to go ahead and jump into this bad boy. I do pay for this with my own money. This is $25 a month, and yeah, let's go jump into it and see if it's worth it. So this month, the first thing that I see in here is the Ciate London Dewey sticks. I did receive this in another box, and this is worth $26. This is a really nice kind of a glowy highlighter. You do have to be a little bit cautious with this because it will pick up product from your skin, like a little bit of your foundation. So this is something that I would prefer putting underneath, or just being really light-handed when you put it on. So I will be adding this to a giveaway just because I already own this little bad boy. Next thing in here is the Illamasqua Hydra Veil Primer. This is worth $45. Yay! I love me a good primer, especially a hydrating one, because I got dry skin. Like, I have normal dry skin. So I don't think I've really tried that much from Illamasqua. So this is the packaging. It looks super cute and kind of reminds me, I don't know, kind of reminds me of kind of skincare. So let's go ahead and see what this, oh, look at that. It has like a little baby little tiny spoon in here. Is that a little baby spoon? Or what? Okay, I don't want to break it. Okay, that's not a baby spoon. That's just the handle. So that is what it looks like. It is like a clear gel. Let's go ahead and just apply some to, oh wow, that just feels like straight up like water to the skin. So I will definitely play with this on Instagram and show you guys my thoughts to it. I thought that this flipped up like a little spoon or something, but apparently it doesn't. So what it says, it's a hydrator and a primer. It instantly moisturizes and smooths your skin in one step. It absorbs quickly. So that is what it looks like right there. It's super hydrating on the skin. So definitely will play with this and see how I feel about it on my skin. But hopefully it will be something nice for my more mature skin and kind of give me a lot of hydration. So this comes with 1 fluid ounces, and I don't know if I said it's $45. So next thing in here is the Tresic Good Vibes Mascara. This is worth $25. And why do I feel like I've tried this before? Yeah, I've definitely tried this before. This mascara is just an okay mascara. I will put this in a giveaway. It does have a eyelash curler, which sucks on here, which I was not a fan of whatsoever. And yeah, this is just an okay mascara. I would not pay $25 for this, so sorry. Next thing in here is the Gigi Gorgeous, the Sick Sculpt Bronzer Dual in Turnt and Extra. So Gigi Gorgeous used to be Gregory Gorgeous, and then he did the transition and became Gigi. He is super fabulous. I have been watching him since he was Gregory, so it's super cool to see that he now has his own line, and it's called Gigi Gorgeous, and this is worth $24. It is super cute. Look at that packaging. That is so cute. So the mirror is super nice, and then it says Gigi Gorgeous. And let me go ahead and swatch these for you guys. So they're super nice and soft, so definitely we'll be playing with these and seeing how they apply, but it looks super promising. I can't wait to play with more things from him, and let me know if you guys would want like a little mini review on his products, or try a few things and do mini reviews for you guys. I love your feedback on that. So it's supposed to just help you, yeah, just, it says just to help a bronzing effect, and also just kind of contour with. So that is super nice that he now has, or sorry, she now has her own line. And the last thing in here is the Belle in Argent lip cream in Smokin' and Screen. This is worth $26. It is a blue red with undertones, and that is the shade right there. I'm not gonna open it. I'm gonna open okay, that made sense. I'm not gonna open it. I'm just going to enter this into a giveaway, just accumulate a few products for you guys and do a giveaway for that. But it is supposed to be this beautiful like deep berry blue red undertone. The packaging on the paper looks absolutely gorgeous. So let me see what it looks like. Oh my God, is that not fancy? Oh, that is pretty. You know what? I think I might just stay with this one. This is such a I mean, the color isn't a color that I would use a lot, but this packaging, it makes me just want to keep it just for the packaging. Have you ever done that? Just kept something because the packaging is so cute. The packaging is beautiful on this. I don't know if I'm going to keep it or not, so can't promise that it'll be in a giveaway. So those are the 5 products that came, and also I see in here a little bag. This is extra. It's a cute little leopard bag. Oh, this is so cute. Look at the little tassel on here. So that is super, super cute. Ipsy always has like the cutest little bags. So this is like a cute little travel bag. Adorable. And as always, they say that it's 120 plus for $25 the box. So as always, I will go ahead and put the total value around here just in case you're curious. I have to say, I like this box. I like it better than last month's box, but I'm not overly impressed either. So that is it for this month's box. I have to say, I'm kind of like, I think the things that called out to me the most was the GG Gorgeous and the Illamasqua. Everything else is just kind of in between for me. I don't know. I feel like there's just been so many new exciting brands that Boxycharm has been working with that it's kind of dimming down Ipsy. So yeah, it just kind of is what it is. So let me know what your thoughts are on this month's box. I'd love to hear back from you. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Hit that little red button. It's free. Yeah, it's free. And also follow me on Instagram. I do a lot of giveaways over there. I've been trying to do at least 1 giveaway a month or more. So definitely go follow me there. I know I'm going to be doing like 2 or 3 giveaways really soon for you guys. So follow me over there, support, like this video if you like it, dislike it if you didn't like it. I love your feedback down below, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.